Now, what's the salary range for a mortgage credit analyst? This can basically vary on factors such as location, level of experience, education, and the size of the financial institution. Below is a general range. For entry-level mortgage credit analysts, the starting range is $45,000 to $60,000 per year. Mid-level mortgage credit analyst, salary range would be anywhere from $60,000 to $85,000 per year. Analysts with 3 to 5 years of experience who have developed a strong knowledge of the mortgage industry and credit analysis fall into this specific range, and is also based on experience, how fast or how many loans they've actually had a chance to analyze. Senior mortgage credit analyst. Salary range for somebody in that capacity would be $85,000 to $125,000 plus per year. Senior analysts, or those with specialized knowledge either from residential or commercial backgrounds, command higher salaries. Bonuses and incentives. Many mortgage credit analysts also receive performance bonuses or profit sharing incentives, which can significantly increase your total compensation. Geographic variation. Higher paying locations, major financial hubs like New York, San Francisco, or Chicago tend to offer higher salaries as well, which is something to take into account. The demand for mortgage credit analysts can also affect salaries, especially in periods of high mortgage lending activity where they need mortgage credit analysts. So they're going to hire a lot of people and offer bonuses and higher payouts and salaries just to start out.